The next thing, and we're not starting this today because it's only 10 minutes worth and I don't necessarily want to get into some examples because I want to do a bunch right away, is proving or disproving surjective. This one is usually harder for people to wrap their brains around. Not necessarily a harder process, although there is going to be some scratch work that will hopefully help you out, but just a little bit harder to wrap your brain around. And that's probably partially because figuring out prove or disprove is also harder in this one. There isn't something nice like the horizontal line test that'll give you a clue as to whether it's going to work for a prove or disprove. So I'll give you some tips. The scratch work will hopefully help, but know that Wednesday is just gonna be not necessarily quite as easy. Surjective is the one that hangs people up a lot moving forward. I'll do the very best that I can, but this is the one that hangs people up. Also, when we prove bijective, there's basically no work to do for that one, right? Because you've proved injective already, you've proved surjective already, so bijective is a really quick yes or no. Bijective is easy. There's no separate proof required for that one. You just got to go back to the 2 previous proofs that you did. Or actually, maybe only 1 previous proof. If injective is no, disprove, then bijective is also no, disprove right away, right? Because it has to have both of those things being true. Okay, I think because we're going to send out start 12.4 on Wednesday also, I will send out a reading assignment for 12.4. So that's the next stuff that'll come out. Again, we're about halfway through 12.2. We'll finish that up on Wednesday and then we'll start 12.4 as well. Anything else for other last minute questions before I let you go? Alyssa, yes.
So like the structure for writing this out, it seemed like a little less structured than usual. So instead of starting with proof, do we always start with just like the word guess instead?
You can. I was writing down guess in order to help you out. If you don't want to write that in your formal proofs, that's okay. But you should make it very clear to me whether you are proving or disproving. You're totally right that these are definitely a little less structured, and that's partially because we don't know if we're proving or disproving. So I'm okay with yours being a little less structured, but you got to make it super clear as to whether it's a proof or a disproof.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. Other questions that people have? Anything else? Okay, I'll try to get the reading assignment and the homework sent out before my 9 o'clock class. Remember, if you haven't turned in your homework yet, if you haven't submitted it, submit that into Moodle by noon today, please and thank you. And don't forget about your proof notebook. Don't leave it until the last night before it is due. That is a bad plan. Do not do that. Not that anyone's going to. Thank you guys. I will see you on Wednesday. Have a good day.